I am starting on the Zac Posen inspired gown. So I've already, you can see through here, I've taped off my style lines and I'm getting ready to start draping out the bodice and then also the skirt. I've already done the mermaid-ish, it's the 9-panel cone skirt. That's going to be for the mermaid part. So I'll show you what I get. Inspired gown. It'll be a scoop neckline with a princess seam into the shoulder, the armhole, princess seam, princess panels, skirt, just a 1, 2, 3, 4, so 8-piece skirt, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8-piece bodice, and then I have this piece which is 9 panels, 9 panels, so lots and lots of flow, and it has a slight cone shape, but you can't see it in the muslin because I was not going to waste interfacing. So when I interface this, I'll interface the main fabric, I'll interface the lining, then I'll put the two together, which will give it a stiffer, so you can truly see like the curved shape of each panel. And once I do that, then this will stand out on its own. Each panel will stand out on its own. But I was not going to waste interfacing on that. So it'll be a very sleek and fitted dress silhouette. And then the bottom will have some extra pizzazz. And then I may or may not embellish in this area. So I may... I have some bling, and I also have some lace. Let me show y'all. So I have some bling panels that I can play around with. So like this one, you know, maybe putting it, hold on. So I'm doing this in just a ivory satin. So I'm thinking with the cone shape, I can, you know, play up the waistline with this beautiful piece, or I can embellish the neckline but I don't have enough to do like the front and back necklines. And the back is the back neckline mimics the front. It's just a little bit deeper. So we gonna see how this all turns out. Next thing to do will be to take the muslin, true it up, and I'm going to actually transfer this one to paper because this silhouette I'm sure I'll use again. And I'm actually liking this, so I'm thinking that I might embellish with this on the waistline on that ivory. And then just a simple clean finish in the back. So a little glitz and a little glam. But yeah, I'm like the way that this has turned out so far. All right, y'all. Bye bye.